The first situation we go to the specific. No, you imagine like, of course, when I play guard, I want to engage with you, but in some time when I cannot, you escape. For you escape, do more attacks distance. So you stand like this. So you have like disengage. No, you don't want. So the same idea you trained before. Okay. My first goal, I try to sit. Okay. And I need to be careful with my leg. I don't want to keep my leg. So if I stay like this, he's touch my leg before me, he can start lift, toreando, and can do like, I need to start defense. So I don't want you to start with the defense, so I want you to careful with my leg, I don't want to keep my leg. Now it depends how flexible you are, okay? If you can put a lot of inside like this, you're able to move, you go this. So now is the question like what he's give you first, okay? If you give the hand, okay, the hand, you take the hand, alright, pull him close and put lasso, okay? And after you engage, and you can decide the guard you like, okay? The lasso is because if I just catch his arm and don't do anything or try to another guard, the same thing, he still can able to pass, okay? So if I see like I able to catch his arm, okay, protect my catch his arm, alright, put the lasso. I don't need to put deep if you don't want, okay? Just half lasso, just for stopping him, okay? The only side you can pass for that side, so you have already grab and have one here, and after decide the guard you like to do it, okay? And if he's be careful more, and I have to catch more the lapel, so I need to catch the lapel, doesn't matter what hand you prefer, okay? When I catch this, I need to pull more fast possible and go under him, and I already open my legs to put between my legs, okay? And the same idea, after you do the guard you like to do it, okay? It's not 100% a game, but can change my go down. But I try to like my best movement. I don't want to go inside his guard, okay? My goal is I want to catch his leg. If I have to catch his leg and start pass around is my goal, okay? I don't want to go inside. My goal is go around, toreando pass. And his goal is don't want to give his leg. And if he stop me and do any good guard, if he stop me 100% everything, you stop again and start again, okay? If you feel a little bit free, if you have to do the toreando pass, you do the toreando pass. For that trend, only toreando pass, okay? No inside, no half guard, just toreando pass. So this is why I don't want to engage, okay? I want to be far away distance. Pass a lot, okay? So in that way, both guys can practice, okay? Try defend your guard, okay? If the guy can be on the top. If you see like big difference between top and bottom, you can slow down. But if you like to have a good balance, do your best. When I say do your best position, okay? Don't need to be 100% your power, okay? Save your energy because you go a lot of rounds, okay? So let's take the time. Slowly let's put more speed, okay? Situation now, the same thing now, okay, I don't disengage with him, but now he's heavy, and I have my back in the ground here. Sometimes this happens, okay? The only thing I need now be careful more, I don't want you to stretch much my leg. He's able to catch my pants, and I'm not able to catch him, okay? So this is why if my back in the ground, I need to put my knee more close to my chest possible. Because if he catch my leg, I need to catch him too, okay? That's the first thing, okay? So here, you have some couple choice. You can do what you feel like is better for you. For example, you can try put spider, you can try put a lasso just for stop him, okay? Or if you feel like he's already start passing, you can keep the grip, okay? Escape to start recover again. But the same idea like before. I want your guys try finish one, control one guard, okay? Close guard, any guard. I feel comfortable with that, okay? One thing, the knee goes to your chest, because if you catch your pants, you're able to catch him too, okay? I can try spider, I can try lasso, or if I feel like he's already passed, I need control with his arm and move my hips, go around. Even if you start pressing more, move my kicks and come back, grab the leg, and do another guard, okay? And the guy in the top, and the guy in the top, like my goal is, I want to press here, because it's already close to the chest, I want to press more, and I need to feel when he's go for the spider or something, I need already start going around, okay? Have the feeling when he's go like the foot in the biceps, you can already passing, okay? But the same idea like before, you want to pass like just long distance, just Torian pass, okay? So we start from here and go, okay? Now you need to feel how you control this, that way, pass you around, and go around that, okay? So let's take the part.
I think he's doing pass, is just doing that, right? Direction, that's it. You just gotta do hand control. It's not good.
You use the foot to come back,
Oh,
yeah?
okay. Foot
The
on
idea is now he's passing and you are at that side.
Got
So
it.
now your hips that side.
Got it.
It's more when he start pass for one
So he-
side and
he's
change the
almost-
side. Yeah, for example, you go here and he starts change the side here. Now he's already passed. You cannot turn that way. So now you need to move here. Or
So
when
that-
it's
so
too late.
when he's passing on the opposite side, that's when
Yeah,
you
you go.
scoop.
Yeah, you go. He's go for my back.
Okay.
Yeah, you go here and go for my back. Now I need to scratch.
Gotcha. You still stiffen
Yeah.
that hand out.
Yeah. Sometimes it's because, for example, I go here, I can't. When I start go here, it's already pass for that side. Go fast. It's already pass. So I need to keep my arm.
Now, yeah, like I said, my mind is the moment I have one arm. I know I have one.
Spider guard, like, come off. I don't know how to do it. As soon as there's two of them, there was like the one you showed me,
You know, like
and then there's also the foot on
if you
bicep.
pull back, the person on top pull more back, like a reset to stand back. You got all that space. You go pop up, yeah.
Yeah. And our goal now for that one is because you already started from here. Before the guy put the spider guard, go. You need already take it now. Yeah. When go, you take out. You need to stop a little bit when you go again, and you move out. Yeah. So this is why we call like Toriando, the bull. Yeah. So you do the spider, same thing here. So this is why sometimes we focus so much in pass the guard, and the guy puts the spider guard here, and you're not able to pass. You know. So our goal is not pass already. Our goal is be free to pass the guard. Okay. So you like go here. If you too late, it's already put there. If you start pass, you see you put more pressure there, so you can sweep it. And that moment when I can need to move around, go back. Yeah. Another choice is come close. But like I told before, now every time when you come close, the guy able to catch your legs too. Yeah. So one option is before you take it, you already move. Yeah, lift my shoulder and move around. You say, I move fine, but I don't try to move your legs. Yeah. And another one, if you're already there, if you not connect everything, I start to move back. So now I can move around again. Or if this foot, you already have something really close to you, and now you can come close.